In the first part, we have studied properties and structure of piperine, isolation of piperine from paper, effect of processing and metabolism of piperine. Now, we shall study health benefits of piperine. Now, first, piperine is an effective anti-inflammatory agent. Constituents of the piper species have shown in vitro inhibitory activity against the enzymes responsible for leukotriene and prostaglandin biosynthesis, 5-lipoxygenase and cyclooxygenase 1 respectively. These effects of piperine seem to be beneficial for inflammatory diseases that are accompanied by severe pain, for example, rheumatoid arthritis. The second is effect of piperine on bioavailability of curcumin. Piperine, a known inhibitor of hepatic and intestinal glucuronidation, was evaluated on the bioavailability of curcumin in rats and healthy human volunteers. The study shows that piperine enhances the serum concentration, extent of absorption and bioavailability of curcumin in both rats and humans with no adverse effects. Now, third is piperine is potential anti-cancer agent. Piperine has been reported to possess effective chemopreventive activity. Moreover, piperine has been found to inhibit proliferation and survival of various cancerous cells lines via modulating cell cycle progression and exhibiting anti-apoptotic activity respectively. This compound has been shown to modify activity of various enzymes and transcription factors to inhibit invasion, metastasis and angiogenesis. Interestingly, piperine has been exhibited anti-mutagenic activity and also inhibited activity and expression of multi-drug resistance transporters such as PGP and MRP1. Besides, about all reviewed studies have reported selective cytotoxic activity of piperine on cancerous cells in comparison with normal cells. Now, fourth is antimicrobial activity of piperine. Many literature reviews have shown the antimicrobial potency of black pepper. Extract of black pepper using solvent when tested against gram positive and gram negative bacteria N1 fungus Pseudomonas aeruginosa found impressive antibacterial and antifungal activity. Study on hospitalized patients suffering from urinary tract infection and alcoholic extract of P. nigrum showed good activity against antibiotic resistant Klebsiella pneumonia. Now, the fifth is anti-arthritic effect of piperine. Piperine inhibited the migration of activator protein 1, that is AP1, but not nuclear factor kappa B into the nucleus in interleukin 1 beta treated synoviocytes. In rats, piperine significantly reduced nociceptive and arthritic symptoms. Results showed that piperine significantly reduced the inflammatory area in the ankle joints. Now, the sixth is effect on central nervous system and nerve conductivity. Earlier reports showed that both pepper, that is black and long, have been used as nervine stimulants. Previous studies have shown that pepper can stimulate central nervous system activity in various experimental animals. The research concludes that piperine is responsible for the analeptic activity which may expressed through due to its effect on nerve impulse transmission in the brain stem. Vanilloid compounds like piperine bind to specific receptor sites, which results in a decreasing the levels of transmitters of pain sensation such as substance P and certain amino acids like glutamate and aspartate. Another study concludes that piperine may also be involved in neuroregulation process by stimulating the secretion of catecholamine neurohormones, especially epinephrine. It may also affect both CNS and peripheral nervous system function by altering or modifying the blood levels of some neurotropic and muscle relaxing compounds. Recently, an interesting study shows that piperine was also effective in mood and cognitive disorder. Piperine and their derivatives showed anticonvulsant action which had been demonstrated in mice and rats. Now, seventh effect is effect of piperine on gastrointestinal tract and bronchopulmonary system. Piperine promptly affects the nutrient absorption as well as the absorption of gastrointestinal xenobiotics by exerting the effect on intestinal, liver and tissue metabolism. It was, however, proven that piperine form polar complexes with xenobiotics and nutrients, thus act as a polar molecule. Hence, the compounds have proper partitioning. Due to this, they are able to cross the membrane barriers. The studies also reports neuroregulation of the entire GI tract was affected by piperine as it interacts directly with the intestinal epithelial layer, which further affects the absorption of food, nutrients and drugs. Piperine also inhibits the gastric emptying and gastrointestinal tract in rats and mice. Now, eighth is piperine and its effect in metabolism of xenobiotics in liver. Bioenhancers are drug facilitators which itself do not show any drug activity, but when given in combination it enhances the activity of drug molecules. Literature concludes that piperine was used as effective bioavailability enhancer, inhibits the human P glycoprotein NCYP3A4, a class of enzyme belonging to cytochrome P450 family, and enable the particular molecule to remain in biological system for much longer period. In various experimental studies, it has been shown that piperine when compounded with different molecules enhances their bioavailability. Now, ninth is effect of piperine on lipid molecule. Piperine also prevents the accumulation of plasma lipids and lipoproteins significantly by modulating the enzymes of lipid metabolism. A study explores the effect of piperine in obesity induced dyslipidemia. It concludes that the supplementation of piperine with high fat diet significantly reduces not only body weight, triglycerides level, total cholesterol, LDL, VLDL and fat mass at a small doses, but also increases the HDL levels without causing prominent changes in food intake. This action may be guessed to be involvement of MC4 receptors. Piperine affects the lipid composition and some lipogenic enzymes in the rat testes. An oral dose depletes the total lipid content, which was mainly due to diminution of the phospholipid concentration and free cholesterol level, whereas there was marked increase in total cholesterol and cholesterol ester. 10th is digestive and hepatoprotective activity. The methanolic extract from black pepper, fruits and piperine were tested against ethanol carbon tetrachloride induced hepatotoxicity Wistar rats, which reveals the significant activity of black pepper in decreasing the hepatic biomarkers levels like transminases, aspartate transaminases and alanine transaminases and alkaline phosphatase, bilirubin, which were increased on ethanol carbon tetrachloride administration. The significantly decreased level of superoxide dismutase, glutathione and catalase after ethanol CCl4 administration were restored with MEPN and piperine. Piperine increases production of saliva, activates salivary amylase and promote gastric secretion. Moreover, decrease GI transit time. Black pepper 1.5 gram per meal administration in healthy human volunteer via intragastrical administration significantly increases pepsin and parietal secretion, gastric cell exfoliation and potassium loss. Administration of piperine significantly enhanced intestinal lipase activity and disaccharidases, the maltase and sucrase, thus promote digestion. Now 11th is anticonvulsant and antidepressant effect of piperine. Studies indicate that piperine exhibits anticonvulsant effect possibly mediated via GABA pathways. Studies also shows that depression behavior significantly diminished after piperine administration. Those findings also proves the potent anxiolytic and antidepressant activity of black pepper. Now let us conclude. Among the spices, pepper has occupied a supreme and unique position due to its characteristic pungency and flavor. It is the only spice which is invariably served at dining tables and is an inevitable ingredient of many prepared foods. Its chemical formula is C17H19NO3. Oleoresin is the solvent extractable portion of pepper which constitutes around 6 to 13% of black pepper and possesses odor, flavor and pungency. It is obtained by repeated extraction of ground pepper by volatile organic solvents such as ethanol, acetone, ether, dichloroethane or ethyl acetate and subsequent removal of solvent under reduced pressure to trace levels. Piperine has as many as 26 health benefits, out of which antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, pain relieving action and anti-diabetics are the major ones. Thank you.